Dude, it's the hardest challenge ever, dude.
I give you props, dude. I give you props.
I give you props. So give me some. Give me some.
You're gonna fucking make me
I don't know why you did it, man.
It's the worst feeling of your life.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, dude. Dude, you shouldn't have tried it, man. Take a deep breath, man. Like, calm down. Stop drinking. You want to take a deep breath.
Hey, so when it then gets into the tongue pouch. That's all the fruit. Oh, they grab my ribs.
Yum.
Yum.
You feel better now?
Not really.
I'm sorry.
It's hard. I had like half of it down before.
Dude, it's the hardest challenge ever, man.
Before you make me puke. Oh man. God damn.